Hello traders, in this video we'll analyze gold. This is the 4-hour chart. Let's get started without wasting any time. So basically, this is the path that I left last time. In the last video, you can check it. I said that the market potentially will fall, grab liquidity, hit a significant demand zone before will go up. And this exactly is happening. Of course, there is a standard deviation of my path over here, which there is an explanation behind. I was expecting, well, the market that is going to go at this level over here to hit this significant demand zone, say this area. But what the market did, it went all the way down to the second demand zone, which is the extreme demand zone. And the reason is these two candles over here. As you can see, Monday, 2nd of June, 2025, the market opened with a big gap towards the upward direction. What the market did right now, it went all the way down, fill up this gap, hit this demand zone, which was very strong, rejected, and now the market is continuing towards the upward direction, as I was expecting. Also, the reason that I didn't buy over here at this demand zone, it was because the stop loss would be quite wide and I didn't want to take the risk. And also I saw that this strong candle towards the downward direction, this bearish candle was very strong, the momentum was very high, and I was expecting to see first weakness in the market before I take any trade. And this exactly happened. I was waiting until I see weakness in the market today in the morning, and I entered exactly here at 3,305. The stop loss was exactly below the demand zone, and now I'm targeting the 3,375, which is a reasonable level the market to reach because there is a lot of liquidity hidden above these levels here. As you can see, there is descending highs, which indicates that there is liquidity in the market. Now I will explain to you something. As you can see, I left one break of structure line over here. And the reason is that I'm thinking that even if I'm wrong, even if the character of the market changed, because if you consider that this is the higher high over here, and now this is the higher low, now this is not the higher high, but it's, let's say, equal high, and the market grab liquidity from here, which means that failed to create a new higher high and start falling strongly towards the downward direction. So if this can be considered as a break of structure, I strongly believe that the market will push up again to sweep the liquidity from the sellers over here and then to fall again down. So this is what I'm expecting the market will do. I'm not expecting that the market is going to fall down because I'm looking at the major trend and not the minor. I can see here that the market just did its retracement all the way down. I strongly believe that this is now my higher low, and now this is my higher low, which means that if the market push down and break this higher low over here, this will mean later that we have a change of character and we will look for more sells. However, it didn't, something like this didn't happen. So what I'm expecting now, the market went up, retraced, and now again up, created a new higher high over here, retraced towards the downward direction, which I believe this can be the 71% maybe. It's almost the 71% Fibonacci level. This was our retracement. Both of the candles, if you can see on the 4-hour chart, close below the, above the previous day low. And I strongly believe that the market now will continue up and hit my take profit at 3,375. And also I'm expecting all-time high very soon in the market. Also, the distance is not big. It's just $160 maybe, far away from the all-time high. And this is what I'm expecting exactly to happen. Now I will go to the 15 minutes chart. I would consider, if I wouldn't enter this market yet, I did, but if I wouldn't, I would take a trade exactly over here. I consider this as a strong demand zone because it broke the structure previously, and I would expect the market to come somewhere at this level and then go all the way up. So how my my trade would look, it would look exactly like that. Stop loss below the lows and targeting all the way this high is liquidity here. For sure the market will go all the way high to sweep liquidity or continue its journey towards upward direction. The risk to reward is 4.51. It's excellent. That's it for today. It's what I'm expecting the market is going to do. I hope the market is going to go to 3,375 just to hit my take profit. Everything so far is in my favor. No, I will not consider a break of structure over here. As I said, this is my higher low. I would consider this higher low as a structure in the market. And now I can see that the market is pushing again up. Hopefully it's going to hit the take profit. So you can like the video if you want, so we can help the algorithm to attract more traders in the channel. Also, you can text me anytime you want. I left my telephone number with WhatsApp on the description, and I can explain to you how you can enter my group.